Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, go ahead and put on your shoes, grab your car keys, grab your phone, because we have an amazing run glitch, alright? But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I am back for video number 2 of the day. Today is Sunday, November the 20th, and we have a run glitch deal, and this one is amazing. So, first of all, if you have not already turned on your notifications, you might want to do that, especially for weeks like this, because typically when we have Black Friday sales or a lot of sales back to back to back with coupons, typically there's a couple of run glitch deals in there, and today we have our first one of the week. It would not surprise me if a couple more pop up throughout the week. So again, make sure that you have those notifications turned on and set them to all. Okay, so that is number 1. Number 2 is, like I said, this is the second video that I've uploaded so far today. I did the new coupons video earlier today. So if you missed that, make sure that you go and check it out. We do have some pretty good coupon matchups. And then also yesterday, I uploaded 2 more videos. I went over the new penny list, which is awesome. I am super excited to go penny shopping this week because, well, just go check out the video and you'll see why I'm excited. So then also yesterday I uploaded a video going over all of the new Dollar General ads, because we have 3 separate sales going on this week. First up is this 4-day sale. It begins today on Sunday, November the 20th, and runs through Wednesday, November the 23rd, okay? So, like I said, this is a run glitch that I'm going to talk to you guys about in this video, but so it could end at any time, but it is possible that it sticks around until Wednesday. We'll just have to wait and see, all right? So after Wednesday, we're going to have a 1-day sale on Thanksgiving on Thursday. A lot of great deals in that sale as well. And then we have a 3-day sale, which runs from Thursday through Saturday. So if you missed out on any of those videos, they're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. But first, let's go ahead and talk about this run glitch deal. Now, this one is amazing. I cannot even believe it. Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. I'm so sorry. I'm actually editing this video, and I realized that I forgot to actually mention the awesome Craz-E couponer who gave me the tip on this deal. So I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Ange. She left a comment in the comment section either late last night or early this morning. It was the very first comment that I saw whenever I woke up. So thank you so much for sharing this information. She actually had to do this deal as a pickup order yesterday. However, I went into the store today and it is working perfectly at the register. Now, she got a little bit of a better deal because there was a buy one, get one 50% off sale yesterday. But either way, this is still amazing. Run deal. Run. Okay, so go ahead and put on your shoes, grab your purse, grab your phone, and I'm going to tell you all about it. I've got pictures, UPC codes, all that good stuff to share with you all. So let's go ahead and get into it. Again, we have this 4-day sale. It starts today. So this is a crucial part of this glitch, all right? So I did go over this ad more in depth with you guys in yesterday's video, but we are going to focus on this part right here. So we have Comfort Bay blankets, normally $16 to $35 each, and there's an instant savings of $5. You want to be on the lookout for the brown dot on the tag. Now, there is a glitch happening because this instant savings is applying to all of the brown dot blankets that are $8 and up. So there are Comfort Bay brown dot blankets at $5. The instant savings doesn't apply to those, but $8 and up. So we have some $8, $10, $12, $14, and so on and so forth, okay? So you need to run to the store. You're going to go down the aisle where all of the wall of blankets are, and you are going to be on the lookout for brown dots on the tags, okay? So I'm going to show you all what I ended up doing this morning, what I picked up. So, I do want to go ahead and start off by saying I did have a 5 off 20 birthday coupon on the account that I was using. So, if you have that, definitely go ahead and take advantage of it. Again, you can do this as a pickup order or you can do this in store. If you do it as a pickup order, I would probably just place it while I'm there. Go ahead and pick out the blankets that you want, add it to the cart, and then tell the cashier that, hey, this is what I'm doing. Here's the pickup order. It's going to be coming through here shortly. Now, let's talk about these blankets, shall we? So, again, I was using the 5 off 20 birthday coupon. So, I wanted to pick up a total of 7. So, first off, we have these Teddy Sherpa throws. These are $8. So, with that $5 in instant savings, that makes those just $3 each, guys. Can you believe that? $3 each. So, this is an awesome glitch. So, for my deal, I needed to pick up a total of 7. Now, at my store, they only had 6. They had a couple more, but those had been dropped on the floor and kind of scooted around and looked like they had been used as a mop or a broom or something. So, I looked over these really carefully and picked out the best ones. So, I picked up a total of 6. They have different colors, and they're all the same size, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 50 by 60 Sherpa blankets, but some of them are thicker than the other ones. This brown one right here is super thick compared to this blue one. So again, different sizes, different thicknesses. Y'all just pick out what you like. And all of these were $3 each. So I picked up a total of 6. I got a brown one, I got a blue one, a super light gray blue one. I got another light gray blue one. It's a little bit different than the other one. I found a white one, a dark gray one, which I love. So there's my 6 right there. That put me at $18, but I needed to get over 20. So they also had these. These are $10 each after the instant savings comes off. That leaves you paying just 5. So still an awesome deal. So these were the 2 lowest price points that I could find. I believe the next one up was 12 and then it jumped up to 14. All right. So I'm going to give you guys the UPC codes just in case you want to do this as a pickup order from home. So there is the UPC code on that. Again, the only downside to doing it as a pickup order from home is that you might not get to pick out the blankets that you want. So if you're going to do it on your phone, I would just go into the store, pick out the ones that you want. That way you know you're getting the good blankets and everything will go through perfectly. Now again, if you guys want to do this at the regular register, it worked out fine. Everything came off except for that birthday coupon. So let's take a look at my receipt really quickly here. There you can see the 6 Sherpa blankets up there at the top for $3 each. That put me at $18. And then right below it is the $10 throw plush. Normally $10, but it took off that $5 in instant savings, so I paid $5. That put my subtotal at $23 on the dot. And the store discount right there is the birthday coupon. So it only took off $2.99. I'm not sure why, but I will be contacting customer service later on this week. So hopefully they'll give me back the $2. But if not, this is still a great price. Again, it's a run glitch. You don't know if they will fix this or not. Because, again, taking a look at the ad, this is only supposed to work on the blankets that are priced at $16 to $35 each. All right. So, you know what? It's definitely a run deal. And I'm pretty sure that the shelves will be cleared, especially for these $8 Sherpa blankets. Like I said, I could only find 6 at my store on the app. It was saying that they had 20 in stock, but I think they had 8 total. And 2 of them were kind of trashed. So a total of 6 I found at one store. And I may go to another one today. We'll just have to see what I can come up with if there's any other deals that I want to pick up. So there you have it. There is our run glitch deal. You guys get out there, pick up some really cheap blankets. These are going to make great Christmas gifts. And once you're done, make sure that you come back in the comment section and let me know how it all worked out and how many blankets you ended up picking up. Alright guys, now before you all go, here's a few more pictures of some of the blankets that I scanned while I was at my store. Again, they start out at $8, then $10, then $12, then $14, and then $16. Those are all the price points that I could find. But again, once you are in the store and you pick out some blankets that you like, just make sure that you scan, and that $5 will show up as coming off automatically. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with this run glitch. And don't forget to come back and let me know how it goes down in the comment section below. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.